Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I offer an explanation video at that link. Been doing this analysis on a routine basis, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. Did it just yesterday on Wednesday, but overall, the trend continues, so updates need to be done. First thing I'm actually going to do is just some house cleaning, get rid of that line. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The other thing I'm going to do here is just make a little bit of an adjustment here. And what I'm going to do is adjust this level of resistance. Now that we have more data, it seems as though that key area is now right up there around 1325, and also just going to get rid of that level for now. And the key dynamic there is whenever levels of resistance need to be adjusted higher, if it makes sense to adjust resistance in the upwards direction, then assuming you're bullish, that's what you want to see. That is a good sign of strength. Whenever levels of resistance, like I said, need to be adjusted in the upwards direction, that doesn't necessarily mean that this thing's getting ready to go back up to $20, but it's certainly a step in the right direction and what you want to see occurring. So on that note, as I've said, 1325 very clearly, a very stubborn level right now. You can see it's rejected the price earlier on in the day, and then late afternoon, rejected it once again. So by no means is that an impossible area to break, but it's become very clear that as far as the story that's being told to us via the chart, the price is really going to have to bring its A game if it's going to be able to fight above there and then break up above it. As far as near-term levels of support are now concerned, the level that's been established is I would consider the ideal level right here at 1250. Ideal meaning, Clay, what would make this chart look the best? Well, yeah, ideally if the price can stay above 1250, but it's not like if the price falls below that level, then that implies everything's destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can continue to stay above that area, that'd be a great sign of strength. And then just from the overarching standpoint, all about that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to just keep on moving higher and higher. So as long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher, then the bulls are 100% in full ownership of the trend. But overall, nice movement today. Let's see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.